This past weekend, I got my favorite phone calls. The words I hear on the other end are, how do I? How could we? How is it possible to? I love those. Those are absolutely fantastic because it means there's somebody out there thinking. In the first video, we talked about how you're the expert. Well, now it's time for you to get your point across. Perhaps you've done some research and have done a whole lot of work on your product and you have a 3D computer model, a CAD file. Well, that's great. Not everybody has one. Some of our most successful customers have come to us initially with nothing more than a napkin sketch. They have a concept that needs to be fleshed out. One of our most successful medical customers who went on to build a multi-million-dollar company on the basis of one device, took 2 caulking guns from Home Depot that he started with to develop his product. No matter how you slice it, the idea is that you need to get to us the overall concept of what you'd like to build. We have to be able to envision what you see. That means that in addition to the picture of the product, you need to enlighten us about what you have dreamed about in your product, the environment. Where is it going to be? How is it going to work? The special thing to note is no small detail is too little. You see, something that may be insignificant to you may have tremendous impact upon the manufacturing processes that we use or the steps we take to find the right material. So you have to transfer to us that information in order for us to be on your team, to get on your side, and to help deliver the best product possible. At Ash Industries, we're engineers who bought some machines and learned how to make stuff decades ago. But we're not a vending machine. It's not like you put in money and you get out a candy bar. What you're doing is we're becoming an integral part of your process. This is almost like you're in there controlling the joysticks and you have this massive manufacturing operation working on your behalf. But we need to know what you know in order to make this happen, such as the surface finish. Did you know that you can go to Kmart, Walmart, Target, and walk the aisles and see surface finishes that other companies have spent millions of dollars developing? You may see there today a surface finish that is critical to the success of your product. Or maybe there's some odd thing about the environment that your part is going to be in. We need to know that. We had one customer who had a product, and in order to make sure that we were delivering the proper products to him, we had to test the parts with sandbags overnight in a humid environment. A very odd requirement, but knowing what he needed helped us develop testing that fit that bill. You don't need to be a genius in manufacturing. That's not the point. We're the manufacturing guys, you're the visionary. So what we need is to be your manufacturing house. We need your vision. We'll help as much as possible to help you get to market. But we need to start. Come on, let's be a team. Let's get this done. Thank you for your time. I wish you the greatest of success.